Welcome to Timberlink, one of Australia's leading producers of renewable radiata pine timber products. Today, we invite you on a journey through our manufacturing facility, where locally grown plantation pine logs are transformed into a wide range of timber products. Join us as we explore the entire process from end to end. Let's begin with an aerial view of the facility. Here, you can see the various areas that are essential for Timberlink's structural timber manufacturing process. Here, you can see some truckloads of logs being delivered. Before they are unloaded, they stop on the weighbridge and their weight is recorded. Once the logs have been unloaded, they are moved to the debarker, a machine that peels off the bark and scans the logs for defects. The majority of removed bark is then chipped and sold as garden mulch, making use of every part of the log. From the debarker, the logs move into the green mill. The green mill is where logs are turned into timber boards and prepared for drying. In this first step, lasers and cameras scan the logs at approximately 500 different points, ensuring optimal cutting. The logs are then rotated to their best orientation for further processing. Bandsaws make the first cuts, opening two sides of the log, creating wing boards. The remaining portion of the log is now called a cant. In the green mill's control room, computers set the optimal cutting pattern for each log. This is called log optimization. When people think of timber manufacturing, they probably think of a lot of manual handling, but in reality, it is very technologically advanced. This machine is called the edger, and it is where the wing boards are sent to be scanned and cut into rectangular boards. Meanwhile, the cants continue down the line towards the horizontal shape saw. This bank of 23 individual saws cuts several boards from each cant, ensuring the optimal number of boards are cut. Once the boards are cut, they pass through an acoustic grader. This sophisticated system identifies boards that aren't suitable to continue into the dry mill for high-grade applications. Every piece of timber is carefully evaluated to ensure it is used to its highest potential. After this initial grading process, the boards are sorted into bins according to their length and grade. Once a bin is full, the timber is dropped down onto racks and prepared for the next step, drying. Kilns are giant ovens, and their role is to dry the timber so that it can proceed into the dry mill. Heated by sawdust waste and shavings, the kilns are highly energy efficient. Timber is placed on racks and moved through the kilns with weights on top to stabilise the wood. The drying process takes approximately 16 hours. Drying timber not only improves its strength, stability and nail holding properties, but it also makes it lighter. Our kilns have two tracks, one for wet timber entering the kiln and one for dry timber exiting. As the wet timber enters the kiln, the steam helps recondition the dry timber exiting the kiln. Quality checks are performed to ensure the moisture levels are optimal. 24 hours after the drying process, the boards make their way into the dry mill, where they are planed into their final size. In the dry mill, precision and efficiency are at the forefront. Our dry mill planer operates at the astounding speed of approximately 800 lineal metres per minute. To assess the quality of each board, they go through a mechanical stress grader. This machine runs the boards through rollers and plates, bending them and measuring their stiffness. This process ensures that each board is accurately tested to meet strict grading criteria. The Lucidine scanner takes the assessment further. It uses multiple sensors to scan all four faces of each board, characterising the unique fibre patterns. Nearly 50 computers process the data. In the dry mill control room, our experts are assisted by artificial intelligence to continuously monitor and adjust the board optimization process. This meticulous attention to detail helps to ensure that every board is used to its fullest potential. Again, we can see just how essential technology is to the timber manufacturing process. Boards then travel through the grading deck to determine their optimal length for trimming. Moving forward, the boards travel through the trim saw box, where they are precisely trimmed to length, optimising their structural grade. This ensures that each board is tailored to its intended purpose, whether it's for construction, furniture or other applications. Once the boards have been sorted by product and grade, they are stacked in designated bins. When a bin is full, its contents are emptied and transported to the packing area or the treatment area for further processing. In the treatment area, boards undergo a special surface coating called Timberlink Blue. This coating encases the timber, providing protection against termite and European house borer attacks. Timberlink Blue is guaranteed for 25 years against termite attack. With the boards ready for shipping, they are stacked, wrapped in plastic and securely strapped together. These well-packaged bundles, or packs, are now prepared to meet the demands of our customers. Finished packs are efficiently moved using forklifts. These versatile vehicles play a crucial role in our operations, facilitating storage and loading onto trucks for dispatch to various destinations. Meanwhile, the wood chip travels up a conveyor and is poured into a large pile. The wood chip is then loaded directly into trucks for export to countries such as Japan, where it is primarily used in the production of paper. Working at Timberlink offers a diverse range of opportunities. It's not just about working outside or directly with timber. We have a modern office environment that caters to many different roles. In our saw shop, highly skilled saw technicians create, repair, maintain and sharpen saw blades and cutting tools. They are also responsible for the upkeep of the mechanical components of our equipment, ensuring smooth operations throughout the facility. From the garden mulch created at the debarker, to the sawdust and shavings used to heat our kilns, to the wood chip that gets turned into paper, our processes are designed to use as much of the log as possible. As we conclude our journey, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of how important technology is in the timber manufacturing process. Our facility is highly scientific and automated, with very little manual handling required, but plenty of interesting and fulfilling career opportunities available. Timberlink, a future made better for all.